innovators we celebrated at World Quantum Day 2025 are all harnessing the transformative power of quantum science and technology to address some of the key challenges that are facing the world today. These include cross-cutting global issues such as sustainability, healthcare, climate change, and water resources that are aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. These innovations showcase just why the quantum transformation must be nurtured and energized through investments and partnerships.
Quantum technology is a very broad term to identify a new market, a new realm of possibilities, not only in energy, in the energy field, but also in sectors such as health. That's where, for example, our startup is focused on. So quantum as a new realm has new possibilities of transformative technologies able to shift the current paradigm from society into a better one.
Quantum computer can unlock unpredicted new solutions for material science, for better batteries, to solve the climate crisis by modeling, simulating our climate. So I think it will, in a few years, when quantum computers are ready, have a dominant impact on all those goals.
Innovators provide the ideas, the innovation, the entrepreneurship, which, and they go into areas which people are generally afraid to go into. Governments provide that regulatory framework, which is very important, not only as a regulatory watchdog, so ethical standards are maintained, but also to facilitate and create an ecosystem where all these actors can work together efficiently, and corporations help scale what's being produced by startups and innovators.
Enabling technologies, and especially quantum computing, has a really large power to transform the society towards a more sustainable future.
The main thing that got us thinking about how to make the solution for complex computational problems more effective and more efficient is that we saw that there was a continuous growth in the scale and type of problems that we need to address, without a commensurate growth in our ability to process these problems computationally in an efficient way, which meant that at some point, and we're nearing that point, we're going to get to a place where it's going to consume so much energy and it's going to actually be quite intractable to address some critical problems in the world today.
In this moment, there are many goals to achieve by the governments and by the entire world. But the problem is that we need technology to measure and to discover where we can or we need to act. For the reason, we can cover different kinds of sustainability goals like water, climate, oceans, pollution, and protect the environment from pollutants in the air, for example.
I would say that it's important to leverage the local partnerships, local communities, in a sense, and also, of course, embracing the latest technology and the latest advancements in science to be able to efficiently tackle these challenges.
Critical resources are always important for any kind of government, and right now the discovery rate of mineral deposits are declining. So we want to overcome that in order to make sure that there are no commodity shortages in the future. And our experts, our team, combines geology experts, AI, and quantum machine learning to address exactly that problem.
Our team is focused on providing timing, a better timing solution than what you get from GPS. The world relies on that timing signal, that clock from GPS to run all the networks. And so our core quantum technology will provide something that's more accurate and more secure.
I think one of the major things for all startups and all technologies is visibility, right? People need to understand what solutions are out there in the world and how they can be used in the future. And the more people that know about that, the more likely it is that we will find a solution that really makes that big difference moving forward.
Quantum innovations, they play a crucial role in advancing the SDG goals, and they can solve several complex planetary challenges in the coming years. And it is important that there is support in developing the Quantum for Good ecosystem. And the World Economic Forum's Quantum Economy Network has been committed to developing this Quantum for Good ecosystem even further. And the challenge, the Quantum for Society Uplink Innovation Challenge, is an important step in that direction, which has been taken in collaboration with the forum's Uplink platform and the C4IR Saudi Center.
We exist to help accelerate and scale entrepreneurship that doesn't just make a profit, but is also good for people and planet. If you will, these early stage startups that have an impact for society, environment, and our economies globally. We do this by bringing together ecosystems that we call. At the center of that ecosystem are the entrepreneurs, the innovators with the great ideas to drive systems change forward.